Hello everyone, this is Digitize Planner. Our planner already have custom apps, which you can customize your apps link by yourself. So today I'm gonna explain about it. Our custom apps already available 12 apps link. You can customize by yourself. You can just click and checklist the custom apps. You can already customize your apps link. If you are an Android user, you can customize your Android apps. And if you are an iPad and iOS user, you can customize your iOS apps link. So here I'm an iOS user. I will customize my iOS apps link. On here, I need 12 custom apps link. For example, if you only need 2, 4, 6 apps link, you can just customize until 2, 4 or 6. Okay, on here, don't forget to choose this. And then click next and just generate. Okay, now I already imported on my GoodNote 6. So this is what it looks like. And now you can just start to use it. Finally, my custom apps link is ready. And now you can just start to planning on your digital planner. Hope you guys have a good day. Goodbye everyone.